Hey there, I'm Brittany, the video producer here at Instruqt, and we're back with another product update. We've got some really cool features being released, so let's dive right in and check them out. First up, we're excited to announce improvements to the Embed feature. Your learners can now toggle embedded tracks to full screen mode, allowing them to focus entirely on the content and enhancing their overall learning experience. You can now toggle to enable or disable feedback collection and customize the end text with what best suits the context and purpose of your content. Next, check out the new Plays and Users reports. The Plays report provides an overview of activity, including statistics, contextual information, and feedback. Additionally, it provides user details and an activity log, enabling users to analyze and qualify leads based on their activity. Delve deeper into individual user activity and track their journey with the new Users report. The report summarizes the actions performed by each user and provides a view of their activity across multiple plays. With these reports, it's now much simpler to track a lead's journey. Furthermore, you can filter and sort leads, identify those who spend the most time on plays, and make strategic decisions about whom to reach out to. We've also made improvements to the scripts UI. Now you have a view of all scripts in a track in one place. Seamlessly navigate through your track and challenge level scripts, editing them in a unified and intuitive interface. Say goodbye to manual saves after each change by clicking the new Save All button. Awesome! We are also super excited to announce the Checks Creation Mode feature. Head to the Challenge Checks tab directly from your track details page. Select Add Check to be taken into a checks creation mode. Creating checks will help ensure users complete your instructions before they can move on to the next challenge. The checks can be created by entering a direct URL or selecting an item that signals the user has followed your instructions. Feel free to add a hint that will appear if your learner gets the task wrong. When you've finished editing, you can find all of your checks in the Challenge Checks tab within the Track Details page. Last but not least, we've launched support.instruqt.com, the one-stop shop for all your Instruqt questions. Get 24/5 technical support, see FAQs, and more. This new platform will enable us to better serve you in your journey with Instruqt. We've got more exciting updates headed your way soon, so like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all new Instruqt features and news.